Hi everybody, it's Miss T and we're going to continue our art lessons with Keith Haring, our artist. He's from New York City. He spent a lot of time in New York City and he was like a graffiti style artist. He used the hip hop music as an influence and he worked in the subways with his graffiti like style. So we're going to practice with the hearts that he used in his art. Now he used these arts for two reasons. The hearts really represented to him the power of love, and the hearts represented optimism. He was very optimistic about the future. Optimism means that hopefulness and confidence about something that will happen in the future. And he was optimistic about the human race. He felt like the power of love was stronger than the power of hate, which is why he used the hearts a lot in his work. So let's go ahead. What you need is your paper, you need your markers, you need crayons, sharp crayons, colored pencils, or markers. All right, let's go ahead and begin because we're going to do two different styles. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is in the paper, we're going to draw our heart connected at the bottom. Now listen, don't forget, you'll have to practice a lot on some of this. I know that I have to, so don't have any problems having to practice things over and over again. I was trying to find a sheet of paper in which I could show you how many times I had to draw these legs, but I can't find it. All right, so we're going to practice the arms. So we come up here and we draw a line that comes out, and we draw a line right underneath that. This is our elbow. And we come around like this and we draw that little bit of a circle right there. On this side, on our right side, we do the same thing. Draw two parallel lines. Bring one, both of them down, and draw that circle on the end. So we have our arms. Down here where we're going to draw our running legs. So we are going to extend this. We come up and bring these down and then add your leg right there. Since this heart is running, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Draw a long line. I'm going to draw one a little bit shorter. Then I'm going to bring this back here. Oh boy. You know, don't worry if you mess up, because you can't mess up too bad in art. We just keep practicing. Now I'm going to draw the horizon line because I'm going to draw the road that this heart is running on. So I'm just going to take my pen and I'm just going to follow it right through here. And then I'm going to add pebbles. Now by adding pebbles, it gives texture. And I add them just wherever I want to on that horizon line, underneath that horizon line. So we're going to add texture to this gravel road, and then we have to put our motion lines, because what Keith Haring understood is how we can make this heart look like it's really running is we add these motion lines. So I'm going to come right here behind the knee. I'm going to come in front of the knee, right up here over the shoulder of the heart. I'm going to draw a large one, and we're going to leave it like that. When you go in to color this, it will look like this. So you can pick whatever colors you want for the gravel. The heart's always going to be red, and do you see how that's why we need to extend those lines into the heart body. All right, this is this heart. Let's draw our standing heart. Right? So let's go. So we're going to draw our person standing up. So we're going to draw, first we're going to draw the head. Now we're going to draw the lines for the shoulders. I'm going to come a little closer so you can see it. We come in at a sharp angle and then just give it a hook. come in at a sharp angle and give it a hook. Now this is where we bring this back around, and when we come back in, we go down a little bit at an angle. We bring this in, and we come in at an angle. Now this is where we're drawing our A-frame. So just draw like you're going to draw an A. Okay. Give it a little bit of a circular line, a little bit of a hump. Now this is where we're going to come in and we're going to draw those legs. So I'm going to come around and I'm just going to follow in. And we're going to look like that. All right, now up here is where we're going to draw our heart. And we have to give it the motion lines. We do these short lines coming from the heart because it makes it look like it's pulsating, like it's vibrating. And we're going to come around and we're going to also make this person standing on land. So let's go ahead and right underneath this person's feet, let's draw that horizon line. And let's add those pebbles. So you just come in with your marker and draw your oval shapes, fill them in. It looks good when you draw a lot of them, or if you only want to draw several for texture. Okay, so you get that filled in. Now we have to draw our motion lines. So we know we're going to put some right here above the right foot. And we're going to put some, well, this is the right foot. Our left foot, our right foot. We're going to come right here above where the hands are holding the heart. And so there's your black and white version. Now you can also, and you should always add color. You can change, the hearts are red, but your person, your Keith Haring character can be any color you want. And then I wanted to show you, I actually found a yellow piece of paper. So if you have any construction paper, you can come in here and change your backgrounds like that. You can do this, you can have it like this. But this is beautiful Keith Haring heart, and I am very happy that you are working on Keith Haring this week. And tomorrow, you're going to need aluminum foil. So look around for some aluminum foil. If you don't have it, if your mother can't find a piece for you, maybe your neighbor can give you just a sheet of aluminum foil. And you're going to need ballpoint pens, like a black ballpoint pen, a blue ballpoint pen, any kind of ballpoint pens that you can find. All right, y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.